Good morning, good morning. Good morning pa po. Good morning. It's 11:20 a.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your day is amazing. You are healthy, you are having fun. You are living a life, di ba? Happy Thursday. Thursday na naman, nangalahati na naman ang linggo. I hope your week is amazing, guys. And productive, of course. Yeah. Hindi yung puro lang tayo parang tumatakbo tayo sa treadmill. Yeah. Anyhow, yes, shout out muna sa aking mga followers diyan. Maraming salamat, mapabago man kayo or mapaluma. Thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And yeah, so anyhow, I know na I am broadcasting in my business page, which is Tita Vargas D, I believe. I'm on my business page today. But anyhow, just wanted to share this with you guys, some thoughts that I have and sa mga conversation ko with people that are interested in learning or earning online. So every time na mag live ako, I always try to share with you a topic like in hope na makapag-inspire ako or makapag-share ako sa inyo, makapag-educate ako, ganun. So that is my purpose here, and of course sharing my this amazing business opportunity na nakita ko. So if you have been visiting my business page or my personal page, so you have an idea kung ano yung sinasabi ko. But anyhow, it's worth sharing, so that's why. And yeah, so today medyo ano yung topic natin. Kasi of course this is still inspired with my conversation, kasi kalimitan na nakakausap ko this week are parang the last 2 days, kasi nag-live ako the other day, the last 2 days, kalimitan is it's not the right time, you know, maybe in a few years. But if you ask, have you, did you see anything? Have you seen the potential of the business? And they will say yes. And then, what is holding you back? Tinatanong ko ng ganun, kung ano yung tumitigil. Yung iba sasabihin walang time, yung iba sasabihin walang pera, yung iba sasabihin na hindi ko kaya, yung bang mga ganun. You know, at the end of the day, tayo pa rin naman ang magde-decide para sa sarili natin. Kaya lang, yung mga sagot na yun is, excuses mo yun sa sarili mo. Kung baga nililimitahan mo ang sarili mo, hindi mo pa nga alam. Hindi mo pa nakikita yung full picture talaga. Because watching the webinar alone, it will just give you like the basic information, not everything. But when you go further, one step further, meron ngang minimal fee. However, it's 100% refundable naman within the 30 days period. So if you think about it, it's really risk-free. So anong kinakatakot mo, di ba? All you have to do is to dig in kung talagang interested ka or talagang yung goal mo is mabago ang sitwasyon mo, because let's face it, you're asking information because you wanted something to change in your life, because otherwise i-skip mo lang yan eh, di ba? Hindi ka mag-a-ask ng information kung kontento ka na sa buhay mo. Now na andyan na, kung tatanungin kita, may potential ba, you will say yes. And then all of these excuses, talagang nasa mindset natin yan. Because naandyan na, nasa harapan na natin yung chance natin na mabago yung sitwasyon natin, yet pinapairal natin ang excuses natin, pinapairal natin ang takot. Now, I'm not saying that this is for everybody. This is for everyone who is willing to step out of their comfort zone, who is open to learning, who is looking forward to have time and financial freedom. This business is for them. And yeah, yung sa aking caption diyan ay, what would you say to yourself few years from now? Let's say 3, 5, 6, 10 years from now. Like, look, like, you know, like, we shouldn't be looking at the today only. We shouldn't be looking at the future. Yes, I understand na hindi natin na alam kung anong mangyayari bukas sa susunod na mga araw. That's why we have to take advantage. We have to live our life the fullest today, because this is the only time that we have. We don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, right? Only God knows. So what I'm trying to say is that when naandyan na yung potential, na andyan na, pinipresent na sa inyo ang oportunidad, pero pinipigilan nyo ang sarili nyo. If you're praying for something in your life to change, and then naandyan na, pinipresent na right in front of you, pero kayo pa rin yung pumipigil sa sarili nyo. Right? Kasi tayo lang talaga ang naglilimita sa sarili natin. God has given us all the power, all the freedom to discover, like, you know, the talent that He has put into us. Pero nasa sa atin yun, nasa willingness natin yun, nasa sa atin yun kung willing tayo na ma-change ang sitwasyon natin. Because yes, most of us ay pinalaki that we have to work hard, we have to study, we have to find a good job para meron tayong security in the future. But guess what, guys? Those are all good. I'm not saying that it's bad. It's all good. However, hindi dapat tayo titigil diyan. Because, thank you for my 1 million viewers. Hindi dapat tayo titigil dyan. Because we are given the power para ma-achieve natin ang goals natin, para ma-achieve natin ang dreams natin, yet pinipigilan natin ang sarili natin. So if you're going to ask yourself, what would I say to myself a few years from now? Anong nakikita nyo? So ano yung vision nyo in the future? Saan nyo nakikita ang sarili nyo? Are you still doing the same thing that you are doing right now? Talagang hindi ka ba napapagod na gano'n na lang, gano'n na ang ginagawa? Yung bang naandyan na? Yes, I've been there na talagang super easy kasi, super comfy, na wala na tayong iisipin kasi kahit nakapikit ang mata natin, alam na natin kung anong gagawin natin. Yet, pagka in-evaluate natin ang buhay natin, wala tayong asenso. Wala tayong natututunan. We are doing the same thing over and over and over. And then, ang life natin ay parang pababa with the rising cost of living, with hindi yan tawag nun, hindi bababa. Hindi bababa. I'm not praying for something to turn out worse. But I'm hoping for the best. But we are not supposed to be just hoping. We have to be doing something. Diba? Kasi binigyan tayo ng talent ng Panginoon. So dapat gagamitin natin yan. Guys, you will never know what you can do, what you can build, unless you are in the situation. Bakit ko sinasabi yan? Because yan po ang aking experience. I never thought na meron pa pala akong talent, na meron pa pala akong pwede na i-develop sa sarili ko, unless naandito na ako sa situation na ito, sa business na ito. Because honestly talaga, I know I'm very blessed na I have worked in different fields, from nanny, housekeeping, hanggang sa nasa corporate world ako, umakyat sa corporate ladder, na andyan na nakita ko na. Thank you, nakikita ko yung kulungkot na hirap. Thank you. Yes, naandyan niya. Problem is always present. Naandyan lahat yan. Struggles, naandyan yan. Challenges, naandyan yan every single day. But it's up to us kung gusto natin na malunod o Angelina, thank you for watching. Gusto natin na malunod lang tayo or we have to rise above it? Nasa sa atin ang choice. Every single day, nagigising tayo, we are given option. We are given choices. Anong gusto nating makamit today? Laban lang para sa mga anak. Yes, that's what it is. Yes. Not only for ourselves, for our family, but like, to help other people. Because tawag na, it's very, like, napaka-shallow ng ano natin kung para sa atin lang. Right? Pero kung i-expand natin, like if we have to think outside the box, kung paano ba ako makatulong sa ibang tao. Right? So, because we are capable of doing more. I can tell you that. The first thing is that we just have to believe na kaya natin na mag-step out of our comfort zone. Open tayo na mag-learn with something different, something new every single day. Open tayo na mag-evolve. Because guys, makakatulong sa atin yan. I'm not talking about just for the online business that I'm doing. I'm talking about life in general, our daily life. Yan yun, because hoping sana our daily life. Because hindi dapat tayo maghintay ng kung anong dadating sa atin. We are strong. We are capable of doing more. Dapat talagang every single day we have to look on the bright side. We have to look on something na makakatulong tayo sa ibang tao. At saan yan magi-start? Sa atin yan magi-start. Right? If we are going to broaden our minds, talagang i-expand natin yung kakayanan ng utak natin, because yes, kung gusto natin na i-stretch ang ating kaalaman, yes we can. Yes, we can. So, yeah, so this is just what I'm going to share with you guys na don't hold yourself back. Because the biggest enemy talaga, kung titingnan nyo ang sarili nyo sa salamin, sino ba ang kaharap nyo? Diba? Ang sarili nyo. Diba? Ang sarili nyo. Now, kung tatanungin nyo ang sarili nyo, pag nasa salamin kayo, tanungin nyo ang sarili nyo, ano bang gusto kong sasabihin sa iyo? 3 years, 5 years, 10 years from now, saan ka ba? Ganun ka pa rin ba? Walang improvement sa buhay mo? Or gusto mo ba na sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, 10 years from now, sasabihin mo dun sa sarili mo, nakaharap ka sa salamin, sasabihin mo, I'm glad I'm so strong. See? I'm glad na binago ko ang buhay ko. I'm glad that I did what I did. Ngayon, masasabi ko sa sarili ko na yes, I am successful, I am strong, I am powerful, I have the power within me. Yan yun. Anong gusto mong sasabihin mo sa sarili mo? 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from now. Anong gusto mong sasabihin mo na you did something para ma-enjoy mo ang later years mo? Thank you sa mga hearts diyan. Or you have done nothing, kahit na andyan nasa harapan mo na ang oportunidad, you have done nothing. Anong gusto mong sasabihin mo in the later years? Magiging proud ka ba? Or puro regrets ang sasabihin mo sa sarili mo? At the end of the day, nasa sa atin ang choice talaga. So, what I'm gonna try to say is that, think about of something na sasabihin mo sa sarili mo few years from now. Ano bang gusto mong sasabihin mo? Good evening. Thank you, Carmen. Thank you. Ano bang gusto mong sasabihin mo sa sarili mo? Magiging proud ka ba? Or regrets ang sasabihin mo sa sarili mo? Right? So, think about that. I will leave you with that today. Pag-iisipan nyo yan. Kung anong gusto mo. Anong gusto nyong sasabihin nyo sa sarili nyo a few years from now? Puro regret ba? Or magiging proud kayo na may ginawa kayo now, hindi bukas, hindi sa susunod na mga araw, na may ginawa kayo today to change your reality few years from now. Ano bang gusto niyong sasabihin niyo? So, yan ang iiwanan ko sa inyo today. Yan ang iiwanan ko sa inyo. So, think about that. And kung gusto niyo po na malaman kung ano po yung negosyo na ginagawa ko, that I am always excited to wake up. Thank you sa mga hearts diyan, that I am always excited to wake up every single day because I know that I'm gonna learn something new. Nasa business page ko po ang aking website. All you have to do, sign up with your name and email address, and then yung aming back office na po ang magpapadala ng information na kailangan nyo. So, yes, so do something. I hope you will do something today that you will be proud of few years from now. So, yan lang po. Yan ang iiwanan ko sa inyo today. So, do some digging, do some thinking. Magiging proud ka ba few years from now? Or regret ang sasabihin mo sa sarili mo? So that's it for me today. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday. And I will touch base with you again later. So thank you everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for engaging into my post. Thank you for showing up and sinasamahan niyo ako, guys. Thank you. And God bless everyone. Ingat po. Maraming salamat. Take care.